I wandered through the listings, just passing through, until the light of glass mosaics led me to you. Tiny stars in a paperweight glow, love spelled out in a sunlit throw. It wasn't luck, it felt like fate. Curios wrapped in a summer state. Your story, your art, a spark divine, each find like a vintage valentine. Heavenly curios, my heart found home in glass mosaics where love has grown. Paperweights shimmer, memories bloom. In your eBay store I found my room. Coins and colors, stories old, each piece a whisper of hearts bold. But nothing matched the fire and hue of the weight that led me straight to you. So bid I did with trembling hand, hoping you'd understand that mosaics aren't just glass and stone, they're the pieces that make us whole. Heavenly curios, you set me free with the paperweight love in mosaic plea. From David's store, where dreams take wing, I found the shape of everything. Coins and colors, stories old, each piece a whisper of hearts bold. But nothing matched the fire and hue of the weight that led me straight to you. Coins and colors, stories old, each piece a whisper of hearts bold.